Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Allie here, and today I am making a faux window for my new studio. My new space doesn't have a window in every spot I want or natural light, so we're gonna fake it till we make it. And today I'm gonna show you how I'm doing this. It's my first time doing this, so if you have tips or suggestions for next time, just drop them in the comments and I would love to hear what you have to say. Hopefully this helps you, so let's get started. First things first, you're going to need, I think it's insulation of some sort. I got these squares, I'll show you in a second. I got these squares from Home Depot. They're 2 feet by 2 feet and I got 6 of them. I think I'm only gonna use 4. So I got these. They were fairly reasonable for pricing, not bad at all. You can get one large sheet and just like cut it right down the middle. I just like the simplicity of not having to do that. Next, you're going to need some zip ties. I got a lot of zip ties here. You're going to want lights. I got LED lights. They're 5500 Kelvin, I believe. I will link them in the bio. I will link everything in the bio, so if you want to buy it, you can, and you know exactly what I am using. The other thing is I'm going to be hanging it from a curtain rod, and then I'm going to put a curtain over top of it, which I will show you all of this when it's done. And you'll probably just need like a tape measure to measure where you want to put the lights, or you can put it wherever you want. We don't judge around here. And an X-Acto knife potentially, or something to stick a hole through. So I'm going to show you the spot that I'm going to be putting this, and then I will show you me working on it. So let's get to it. So this is my couch, and I would love a window right there. So right where those lights are is where I'm going to be putting it, and I am just working on it now. Okay, so once again, the video got cut. The voice is not there anymore. Anyways, this is how I made my faux window for my studio. There are a lot of things I would probably do different next time. I'm sure I'll be making another one in the future. Let me know your thoughts, what you would do if you like this video. Also, stay tuned for my next video next week because it is the very first boudoir shoot I do in my new studio, and I am using this light so you can see it in action. It's definitely a learning curve, but it's pretty cool. So see you next time, guys.